What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and like always, I got a banger for you guys. In this one, we are going to be covering the project TONIC. Tectonic has been absolutely crushing it these past few days. I have covered the project before, and I'll definitely keep covering the project as it progresses. TONIC holders, you guys are super based. TONIC community, the TONIC team, just absolutely based project in the space on the Kronos ecosystem. Crypto.com, CRO, absolutely crushing it. There was so much FUD around centralized exchanges recently, and the CEO of Crypto.com was such a gangster, such a savage, you know what I'm saying, tackling all the FUD, you know what I'm saying, getting all that FUD out of here because of what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. You know what I'm saying, a lot more people are getting their crypto off of exchanges. I do totally agree with that, just to be on the safe side, but it's great to see when a CEO can just step up to the plate and just squash FUD like it never existed, whereas they got people like Scam Bankman-Fried roaming around free of charge after, you know, costing so many people their livelihoods, you know what I'm saying, even them bringing them to a point of self-deletion, you know what I'm saying. So it's a crazy, you know, it's the wild west in the crypto space. So always be safe, take your crypto off of exchanges. But Crypto.com, CRO, the Kronos ecosystem is here to stay, and the project TONIC, Tectonic, is here to stay as well. If you're a part of the Kronos ecosystem, you hold TONIC, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm at 814 subscribers right now. Let's get to 900. You guys showed a ton of support on my previous TONIC video. I got 1,000 views on that. Let's do it again. Let's get to 2,000 views in this video right here. Now before we continue further, guys, just know that I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky, it is very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. When we head over to CoinMarketCap and we take a look at TONIC, it has been holding up so strong in the bear market. This is one of the projects that's definitely gonna survive this bear market. And then when we get into the bull cycle, when we get into the new parabolic, astronomical altcoin season, a project like TONIC will send to infinite levels, guys. I would not be surprised it does something absolutely crazy in the next bull cycle, especially because it's on the Kronos blockchain's ecosystem, and we know how far CRO will go in the future. You know what I'm saying? It is one of the top projects in the crypto space. It is not going anywhere. It's gonna be one of the you know, Facebooks, Metas, or Amazons of the crypto space, just sitting at multi-billions of dollars in market cap. And projects on the ecosystem like TONIC will absolutely melt faces, you know what I'm saying? No doubt in my mind about it. Crypto is very unpredictable, so you can never rule anything out. A lot of people might be like, oh no, that's impossible, that can't happen. Then we take a look, bull market comes back, crazy altcoin season is back, and then you see Tectonic pulling a 10x, 100x from here. And everybody that's holding Tectonic right now, TONIC already knew, you know what I'm saying? They was like, oh, see, I told y'all didn't listen. You know what I'm saying? They diamond handed, waiting until their time comes, you know what I'm saying? And it's great to see TONIC sitting at 29,276 persons that has it on their watch list, $10.9 million in market cap, 157K in 24-hour trade volume, down 13%. That is not bad. This is the type of trade volume you see for lower cap, micro cap plays in the space, because, you know, typically they're getting around 100K to 500K in 24-hour trade volume, so that's not bad. Sitting at $10.9 million in market cap, guys. 10x from here, 110 million, 100x from here, $1.1 billion in market cap. Who's to say that can't happen? You know what I'm saying? Who's to say it can't happen for a project like this, especially with all these zeros? You know what I'm saying? The new retail investors in the space, when it's peak FOMO season, peak altcoin bull run season, will see all those zeros and think to themselves, wow, how much upside does this project have? Now if we come down and take a look at the 7-day chart, you can see recently it had a nice little move to the upside, nothing too shabby, you know what I'm saying, going sideways, nice little move to the upside. But like I said, the chart is holding up so well in this bear market. It's just holding strong in a accumulation phase, and it had a nice little move to the upside. Who knows, it could continue up further. As soon as the market starts to turn around, projects like this will start gaining a lot more momentum and start being a lot more bullish. When we scroll down and take a look at a more detailed breakdown of where the trade volume for TONIC is coming from, crypto.com exchange, it's on a tier 1 exchange, guys. There's only a select few amount of projects on crypto.com, and a lot of people use crypto.com as their exchange of choice, guys. 41k here, 10k here, and they have, you know, I just recently noticed this, that CoinMarketCap actually has a check mark so you could check the proof of reserves. That was, you know, a big thing recently because of all the centralized exchanges and Sam Bankman-Fried situation. Proof of reserves is a way now for people so they could check the transparency of each exchange. And crypto.com, like I said, it's not going anywhere. TONIC is going to be one of the top B apps for the Cronos ecosystem. When Cronos grows to that astronomical level, projects like TONIC will do very well in the future. Now I am actually gonna have to thank Sam Bankman-Fried for his collapse and what he did to the crypto space. Now you might be like, why are you gonna thank him? Well, I'm gonna thank him because a lot of the investors now, a lot of the retail, a lot of the, you know, huge hedge fund investors realize centralization is not it. It doesn't work out for this space. So what is getting more attention and focus right now? DeFi is decentralized finance. And what do you class a project like TONIC? You classify it as a DeFi project. Tectonic shift in lending and borrowing, cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant backed loans. A DeFi project. Recently, a ton of DeFi projects in the space have been getting so much more attention. You know what I'm saying? Wait until we get new investors into the space. Wait until the market is bullish again. Wait until the market turns around. New investors will be so amped to check out a legit DeFi project like TONIC. Audited smart contracts, insurance fund, open source. Anybody could check the code, see what's up with the, you know, what's happening. It is completely decentralized. This is how DeFi works. And whenever this insurance fund gets released, it is going to be such a game changer in the space, guys. Because of this bear market, we could see for ourselves how some of the top projects in this space could fail, and this insurance fund from TONIC will be such a game changer. That's the type of utility that gets mass adoption. And now we're gonna check out any new recent updates or popular tweets about TONIC. When we hop over to the official Twitter of TONIC, we'll see right here we have 54.1k followers. That is very bullish. And a tweet recently from the 23rd about the importance of tectonic plates. It is what made the earth habitable. The constant recycling of the Earth's crust provides us with a stable climate. Stable, just like the TONIC chart in a bear market, waiting until the bull market to send to the moon, guys. As we scroll down, we have another tweet congratulating the Cronos Identity Rear Name Allow List winners. The Cronos Identity is gonna be very interesting in the future, similar to you know, .eth names. The Cronos Identity will be very bullish for, you know, people apart, the investors are part of the Cronos and the CRO ecosystem, and trust me, that number will just continue to grow in the future. We also have another tweet right here from the official TONIC Twitter. We now support Brave Wallet. Try it out today. very bullish stuff. The team keeps working, developing throughout this bear market. They keep building, and that's what's gonna take them into the next bull cycle with flying colors. 435 likes, 101 retweets. Social engagement is through the roof for the project. You love to see that. Very active community as well. Tweet from Chris M. What the hell happened here? $TONIC, and we see a nice move to the upside on the 8-hour. Boom. TONIC is ready to go, guys. The market just has to get bullish. Another tweet from Tectonic, $TONIC. When will we get back to this? And I'm looking at this right now. Is this accurate, guys? If so, this is crazy. You mean to tell me the all-time high was at $2.9 billion in market cap? You know, that's a 300x from here, around the 300x. That is insane upside potential. Not to mention how far it could go when Bitcoin is going on its way to 80k, you know, 80k per Bitcoin, 100k per Bitcoin. That is some insane upside, guys. Wow. Tweet from Frank B. TONIC, how about a rise up? LFG, it's the weekend and I am waiting for a pump. Hashtag TONIC. It's gonna happen, man. Frank, it's on its way. Just be patient, keep accumulating, and you just never know what could happen in the future. Tweet from Rybo, TONIC is number 18 on CRC20, the Chronos ecosystem, token by market cap. And when we come down to the CRC20 Chronos ecosystem, we have TONIC right here sitting at number 18. You know what I'm saying? All of these projects, whenever the market is bullish, can't imagine how much they will send in a bull market, and when has finally turned around and gets to its peak of the next cycle. Just imagine that. Tweet from Shavon Johnson, there isn't much to say, you know where I stand. Tectonic, Chronos, CRO, adding to the bag, 431 million TONIC secured. Bullish, man. This is gonna go far in the future, guys. From Emmy.cro, I'm in LFG, TONIC, CRO fam, CRO, crypto.com. 192 million TONIC secured, scooped, and ready to go for the next bull market, guys. Like I said earlier, guys, because of Scam Bankman-Fried and what he's done with CeFi, a lot more people now are focused and putting more attention onto DeFi, decentralized finance. A project like TONIC will carve its way out in this space and get to the levels of crazy mass adoption. The future looks bright. Every time I look, team is super based, the community is super based. When CRO and the Chronos ecosystem develops, a project like TONIC will grow exponentially as well. If you hold TONIC, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps out if you guys could subscribe to the channel and like the video so I could continue to make videos on this. Let's get this video in the algorithm so we could get new eyes on the project. And if this is your first time hearing about TONIC, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. TONIC holders, let me know your thoughts as well. Everything about TONIC and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.